Namaste, everyone. I'm your cPanel guide from the YouStable team. Let me ask you something. Have you ever been in this situation? You're about to send a job application, or maybe a business proposal to a client, and just when you start typing your email, you realize it's something like cooldude123@gmail.com. Yeah, not exactly professional, right? Now, imagine this instead. Your email is rajesh@youstable.com. Sounds clean, branded, and way more trustworthy. That's why having your own custom email is so important. Whether you're a freelancer, a business owner, or just someone who wants to look serious online. And the good news? You don't need to be a tech expert to do it. If your website is hosted with YouStable, you already have access to cPanel, which makes creating email accounts super easy. Fast, reliable hosting, built-in tools, and helpful 24/7 support. That's why YouStable is perfect for beginners and pros. All right, now, let's get started, and I'll show you how to create your own email account in cPanel, step by step. Log into your cPanel account, and you will be on this page. Go to the email section and click the email accounts. In this email accounts interface, click the plus Create button. Click the drop-down list and select the domain on which you want to create the email account. If you have only one domain on your account, this setting won't appear. Enter a username for your new email account. You can either set a password by password setting, link sent to your email, or set a password now. The default setting is Set Password Now. Let's set the password now. You can enter a password manually in the password input box or generate it automatically. To generate the password automatically, click the Generate button. Then copy and save the generated password. Then click the Edit Settings button. Scroll down. You can click the Options button, Unlimited, and remove any storage limit for the email account. To set the storage space for the email account, you can enter the digits here and also select the unit memory through this drop-down list. To create folders, automatically leave the default selection. You can click to check this box if you want to create another email account after this one. Now, click the plus Create button. That's it. The newly created email account is listed here. You can check your emails and manage them from here. Thank you for watching,